guys, and welcome muli sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen.
Gagawa tayo ngayon ng banana cupcake with cream cheese frosting. And here are the following ingredients. Kailanganin natin ang cupcake tray with casing, hand mixer, spatula, at ice cream scooper. Magpe-preheat na rin tayo ng oven sa 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Ang ating first step, itong 1.5 cups ng all-purpose flour, i-add natin itong 1 teaspoon ng baking powder, yung half a teaspoon ng salt, add na rin natin itong 1 teaspoon ng baking soda. Optional ingredients, 1/2 teaspoon ng cinnamon powder. We will mix it well and we will set this aside. Next, we have here 3 large bananas. I-slice natin ito. Ito na yung last na banana. And then, using a fork, imamash natin ito. Make sure to mash it well nang walang lumps. Ayan, na-mash na natin yung ating bananas. I-add na natin itong 3/4 cup ng brown sugar. Sama ko na rin itong 1/3 cup ng softened butter. I-add ko na rin itong 1 large egg. At itong 2 teaspoon ng vanilla. And then using the spatula, imimix lang natin ito. Then isi-sieve in na natin yung dry ingredients. So yung mga buo-buo, i-press nyo lang. And then using a hand mixer, imi-mix natin to on medium speed hanggang maging well combined. And then once na na-mix natin, i-scrape lang natin yung around ng bowl, yung mga dumikit na flour dun sa gilid. At pati na rin dun sa ilalim. And then, imi-mix uli natin ito for about a minute. Using an ice cream scoop, i-scoop na natin yung butter dito sa ating prepared tray. Nakagawa ako ng 19 cupcakes in this recipe. Ibe-bake natin to for 15 to 20 minutes, depende sa laki ng inyong cupcake. Habang hinihintay natin yung cupcake, itong 1 cup ng whipping cream at i-add natin itong 1/4 cup ng icing sugar. And then using a hand mixer, i-mix natin to on medium speed hanggang maging soft peak stage. Pag ganitong soft peak stage na, pwede na nating i-add yung ating 200 grams ng cream cheese. And again, i-whip uli natin ito hanggang maging stiff peak stage. Then, i-add natin itong 1 teaspoon ng vanilla. Ayan, stiff peak stage na. I-refrigerate muna natin to habang hinihintay natin yung cupcake. After 20 minutes ng baking, luto na yung ating cupcake. Check nyo lang using a stick test. When it comes out clean, ready na ito. We will cool this down completely. Ayan, malamig na yung ating cupcake. Transfer ko na yung ating frosting sa piping bag with start dip. At magpa-pipe na tayo around ng ating cupcake. As an optional ingredients, pwede tayo mag-sprinkle ng chocolate chips on top. And there you have it, our banana cupcake with cream cheese frosting, best served for snack or for business. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button para lagi kayong updated tuwing mag-upload ako ng videos. Ako po si Aling Oday. Salamat! Bye! Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram.